Hi everyone, this is Mary and welcome to my channel. So, I am back. So this is just a cancer update regarding to what happened for the last, I think, 2 months. 2 months since I uploaded my last video, and there's a lot of things that going on, and I am here to share you those experiences. For everyone who was new here, my name is Mary and I've been diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer last year, and fast forward now I have just 2 sessions to finish my chemotherapy. Yay! So, I have two more session of my Red Devil this coming week, and then after that, next month. So after that, I am done and I will be waiting for my scheduled for my surgery, and then after that I will be having my radiation. So yes. Okay, so as you can see, nakaayos ako today. So I have my kilay. I drew my kilay and I have my lipstick because I will be going somewhere called Walmart. So, maggagawa ako ng errands after this video. So, yun lang. Kaya lang ako nakaayos. I just like feel na gusto kong magayos today. So, ayun. So, yeah. So, balik tayo dun sa nangyayari. I think, I haven't uploaded for about 2 months na. And there is a lot of things going on. To start is yung nag-start ako ng Red Devil chemo ko. So, when I have my first Red Devil chemo, it's just like parang kung dun sa previous ko na chemo for about, I think 8 session or more session of chemo na wala ako naramdaman, as in very 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 mild lang yung mga side effects na naramdaman ko. Here, para siyang talagang parang lahat all together. So right after 3 days, after 3 days of getting my Red Devil chemo, parang day after day, nagkakaroon ako ng side effects. So, doon na nag-swell yung face ko, nagkaroon ako talaga ng massive allergy na talagang buong katawan ko talagang sobrang nangate. As you can see, ang dami kong, this is just part of the allergy that I have due to my first Red Devil chemo. So, pero ngayon, okay na ako. Na-hospital pa ako. I've been hospitalized for, I think, 4 days. Sinalinan pa ako ng dugo kasi sobrang bagsak na bagsak daw ang immune system ko noon that time. All my white blood cells, my red blood cells, my hemoglobin, lahat yun bagsak. So, that's the reason why I have blood transfusion, and then nakatulong naman yun I think nakatulong yun kasi medyo naging okay yung pakiramdam ko after that. And now I had my second Red Devil chemo, I think 3 weeks ago, and the doctor just gave me this injection na nagpapa-boost din ng immune system, and I think it helped din kasi nga though the doctors less the chemotherapy or the treatment by 20%, so 80% lang muna yung nakukuha ko, but the thing is he added another session. So supposedly 1 session na lang ako, but due to binawasan niya ng 20%, so nagdagdag siya ng another session, which is mas okay kasi nga sabi nga niya the reason for me on having my chemotherapy is for me to be okay, to be alive, not to kill me, kasi talagang parang feeling ko ay talaga namang ako'y parang mawawala na sa earth that time kasi nga sunod-sunod siya, and alam mo yung gusto mong lumakad. Ito yung feeling ko talaga eh. Yung parang gusto mong humakbang, gusto mong maglakad, pero hindi mo talaga magawa. Talagang pinipilit lang talaga ng katawang lupa ko, kahit sinasabi ng katawan ko at ng utak ko na hindi mo kaya. Yun, literally, ganun yung naramdaman ko nung first, first session ko ng Red Devil chemo na yon. So, I don't know to those people who are also in this journey kung same ba kayo ng naramdaman. But for me, that is really an experience talaga na hindi ko makakalimutan sa journey na to. Kasi, talagang first time ko naramdaman yun sa buong buhay ko. But still, I'm still, kinakaya ko pa rin siya. Kakayanin mo talaga siya. At saka, siguro, way na rin din siguro ni Lord yun na sinasabi niya na,
Mary, you take a rest. Magpahinga ka.
hindi ka ganon siguro yon. At na-achieve ko naman yung pahinga na yun kasi nga talagang nakapagpahinga nga talaga ako. So, yun lang. Ano pa ba? So, after nung second Red Devil na yon, I'm good. I'm on my third week na ko natanggap after ko natanggap yung second session na yon. And I think I'm doing good. Wala naman ng mga allergies, wala ng trip sa emergency. So, I can say na mas okay. And though there are some side effects na nararamdaman ko like diarrhea, itong fingers ko na to is para siyang ano siya, hindi siya active katulad ng tatlong to. So medyo nanghihina siya. And then this one, I have muscle pain in this side of my arm na talaga namang sobrang sakit. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit ba napakasakit. In this particular part lang naman. So, hindi ko alam kung tala yon or it's because of the Red Devil chemo or I don't know. But I will be having my appointment to my oncologist this week. So, syempre, tatanong ko yun sa kanya and hopefully, hindi naman siya ganun. Wala naman siyang effect or hindi siya although feeling ko connected siya dun sa aking chemo, but hopefully naman din is ma-disappear siya kasi masakit siya talaga. Parang hindi mo siya magano na, ayan, that's why I have this one kasi pinapalibutan ko siya dahil sobrang sakit nga niya kasi. So, yun lang. Wala namang masyadong ganap, though still tuloy pa din ang buhay namin. We are so lucky and we are so blessed that even though we are like in this condition, people are still believing in us and there's still like yung aming business is still continue even though nandito ako, mayroon kami pinagdadaanan, and we are very thankful for those people who are trusting us and still believing on us na we can still do it. At salamat po sa inyong lahat. And what else? So, ano ngayon dito? Winter. I don't know kung last na to. Hopefully this will be the last. So mayroon kaming snowstorm the other day. The school have canceled their class for 2 days. It's because of the amount of snow na nakuha namin. And hopefully this will be the last. And next month is fall na. And we are excited na mawala ng snow. So sana wala na nga talaga siya. So as you can see, I will just show you the yun ang snow. Yun ang natanggap na snow ng New Brunswick St. John for the past 2 days, I think, na nagkaroon ng snowstorm. So, hopefully, yan ay ma-wash out na para talagang tuluyan ng hindi lumamig. So, what else? So, yun lang, guys. So, I hope sorry. I hope na tuloy-tuloy na to ulit itong aking ginagawa, and I hope na nandyan pa rin kayo, and thank you for watching and for tuning in my video and my channel. So I hope that you subscribe and at the same time you like my video, and yes, so thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!